I would just let it be known I am wearing a shirt. For whatever reason, I like it right up in my face. Like right there. God forbid I take 5 steps back. Like if we could like do that. Look at that. Look at that. Do I still look naked? Sure do. Sure do. Should I put on a new shirt? Nah, you know I'm wearing clothes, it's fine. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, this is Ambitiously Ever After, and I've lost 100 pounds in life. Yay! Go me, go me, go me. And still, it never ends. It never, ever ends. If you were like, oh, I'm gonna lose 50 pounds and I'm set for life, think again. Think again, just think again. You're not set, you are doing this forever. Forever. This is your new life. When they say, hey, it's a lifestyle change, that's because it is. You cannot go back to your old life. You can't, this is just, this is it. This is it. Oh boy. Already? We're already getting like, a little bit. It's okay though. It's all right. So when I first filmed my weight loss tips, I realized I have a lot more. Like a whole lot more. So this is now a new series. Welcome to the series. I don't know how often. It's not gonna be a weekly series. It's just a new series. So that's what we're doing now. I also feel like I'm gonna do a keto tips video series. Okay. I'm digging these earrings, but like, can you maybe act like you have clothes on? Before you start even any sort of weight loss journey, you need to know your why. Why are you doing this? Why are you changing? Why do you want to change your life? It cannot be, well, I guess it could be for somebody else. Like if your mom or your whoever or your significant other's like, listen, no one's gonna say that to you. They might. They shouldn't. They're like, I want you to change, say, I want you to leave. That's what you say if someone tells you they want you to change, unless they're truly worried about your health. That's a whole other topic, okay? You are just rambling, okay? So you need to find your why. You need to know why you are doing this for you, nobody else. If someone wants you to lose weight because they feel like it would make you healthier or whatever the case may be, I don't know if it's enough. Like you need to do it for you. You have to want to do it for you. So you need to know your why. The reason why I started was because I wanted to lose weight, ideally 100 pounds. And actually I still would like to get even like 110, like 105. So it's an ongoing story, okay? Like 5 or 6 years in and I'm still trying to get it, okay? But my whole why was I wanted to lose weight and I wanted to get a tummy tuck, which I did. But I wasn't getting it until I lost all that weight. That was like, I knew I was gonna need one. I had like a hanging. It was not going to bounce back. I knew that. So going into it, I was like, I'm changing my life. I'm doing this and that's my reward at the end of this. That's what I'm getting done. And it was like, eye on the prize the whole freaking time. Right before I started, I noticed when I was like walking places, like to the bank or just easy, like a 5-minute walk somewhere, I would get so out of breath. And then if I was with somebody, especially, I've always had like thinner friends. So if I was with somebody that was thinner and they were not out of breath, I was just like, I remember I used to yawn a lot to try and like, now I'm gonna yawn. Don't yawn. I used to yawn to try and like breathe for a second and act like I was like, because I was so out of breath. And it was embarrassing. I was like, oh my God, I'm walking 100 yards this way and I can't breathe. So embarrassment was like a big, like, we gotta do something. Let's look at my notes and see what else. I wrote these notes last week, but I was such a crankosaurus that I was like, you can't post this. Oh my God. I was so cranky and so miserable. I was like, no, I would never take your advice. You are like a mean human being. I was probably, well, when I was lonely and sad, and I was probably hungry because I didn't eat anything yet, which I haven't eaten yet either, but I'm much happier today. So we're going, good things are happening. Okay, another tip is to take before photos. Here's the deal. I have probably 300 before photos. 290 of them, I am naked. Not naked, but like in my underwear, or I'm in a bra with pants, or like I don't have normal human clothes on. It's not like pictures at events. That's the thing. I always knew how to dress. I always was put together. I can hide stuff very well. My brother's wedding, I wore a waist trainer plus Spanx. So I always knew, because even when people would see like before pictures of me out, they're like, you didn't look like that. Sure did. I sure did look like that. Joke's on you. Surprise. So just take a lot of before pictures. Like I said, wear some clothes, maybe get some videos in there. I also took like along the journey pictures. So it wasn't until, because yeah, the scale's great. The scale's wonderful. But to visually see it and to visually do that, I'm not saying that you have to post it on the internet, because I will tell you, when I took these before pictures, I was like, no one will ever see them. Ever. That's funny. They're all over the internet now. It is what it is. I've embraced it. I don't look like that's not me anymore. Not me anymore. So I'm not saying you have to post them. I'm just saying if you thought you might want to post them, put some clothes on. All right, so set small goals, whether that's like a reward for every 5 to 10 pounds, or whether it's like dates. Like if I'm good for a month, then I get this. So whether it's little rewards, I'm not a big reward person. This is why I'm not a big reward person. I reward myself every day. That's why. I'm like, yes, you deserve that. Yes, of course you need new shoes. Of course, that's on sale. Of course you need makeup. Of course every day is a reward when you are me. That is why the reward system doesn't do well with me. What I do is I need events. So for instance, I'm going on vacation in 2 weeks. So for the most part, I will be good up until 2 weeks. Then it's not that it's game on, but it's like, do what you want. You're on vacation. Like, don't eat everything in sight, but enjoy. Don't stress about it. Then when I return, I have a high school reunion. Like, I don't know, 5 or 6 weeks later. That will get me back on track immediately. And then it's Christmas. I don't want to look like a slob at Christmas. I want to look cute. So I'll be good till Christmas. And then once January hits, everybody's on that train. So it's like, I just always have something else to look forward to. Another tip is you have to like what you're eating. If you hate whatever, let's say broccoli, chicken, and rice, but it's so healthy, so you have to eat it because it's healthy, 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 or you hate chicken. Chicken makes you want to like, whoop. Why are you eating chicken? There's so much other stuff that you could have. So you need to eat what you like. I don't care if you eat that. You figure out what you like and you eat it every single day for the rest of your life. It's what you like. I've definitely done that. All week I've done it. So far, for 3 days in a row, I've had the same exact food every single day because it's good and I like it, and my macros have not changed in those 3 days. Why fix it if it's not broken and I like it? So eat what you like, because if you don't, you are not going to look forward to a meal and you're going to be like, I don't want to eat that. I don't want to rather have ice cream. I don't want to eat it. No. So eat what you like. Okay, this is a good one. And I tend to deal with this. Just because you have an off day does not mean you failed. The many times I have off days? A lot. Not a lot, but like, or not even like an off day, but like, I say salon life because that's what I do. And if you work in a salon, you know it can get crazy. So there's times, for instance, last week, I was like, oh, I knew I didn't have like a jam-packed day. I knew I didn't. By the time I got to work, I did. I was like, you're funny. You're funny that you thought that you could go get something. I was gonna get a bacon double cheeseburger from Habit Burger, which is like, boop, 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 3 stores down from us. And it was funny. It was a funny joke I told myself. So I didn't. So by the time I was done work, I was starving, like so hungry. God forbid I go down and get it then. No, I ordered pizza, a small guy. I was still within my calorie range, but that's not what I had planned. It's fine. It's okay. It's quite okay. I did not fail because I failed that one meal. You gotta be prepared. You gotta have snacks in your bag. You gotta be prepared. So just because you had an off day or you just didn't hit your macros, you did not fail. This is why it's life. It's like there's no end of the road, like none. You just keep going and you keep pushing, and eventually you will cry. No, there's no end game for this. This is now your life. This is your life, and that's okay. I'm having so much fun with this being my life. I know. I'm much happier this week. Can we tell? I'm not as like. I can tell I'm much happier. All right, so that's my video on some weight loss tips. Like I said, this is gonna be like a little series of never-ending weight loss tips. But let it be known that I think you're fabulous and you don't need to change. But if you would like to change, I will gladly help you and let you know that you are not alone. You're not alone in this. A lot of people want to change, and it's okay. You're allowed to change. You're allowed to do it. It's your body. You're allowed to do whatever you want to do. Don't listen to people trying to knock you down. Well, thank you guys for watching. More weight loss tips to come, and I hope you guys have a great week. Bye.